you don't have any justification why it is a verb, but you think that it is a verb.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is where I can find a noun in this sentence? Where is the noun?
A book is the noun, and color is also noun.
Okay, color is also noun. Color, okay. So fine, thank you so much. I will go for the other one. Yes, Zanjil Malik, please. Okay, Zanjil Malik, please unmute your mic. Zanjil Malik. Zanjil Malik, please.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Assalamu alaikum.
Okay. Walaikum assalam. Assalamu alaikum. Oh, how are you? Actually, okay. So Zanjil,
Alhamdulillah, fine.
my book is blue. Zanjil, where is the verb?
Ma'am, I think in this sentence there is no verb.
Well done, Zanjil. Okay, where is adjective?
I think blue is adjective.
Okay, blue is adjective. And where's the noun? Where's the
I
noun?
think there is also no noun.
No noun. Okay, fine. Okay, thank you so much, Zanjil. Okay, girls. Now, listen. I have asked the same question from more than 3 to 4 girls, and now I'm what Zanjil. Thank you so much. Okay, now I'm going to tell you. Please remember this thing, and I must say that please have a copy and a pencil with you. There is not a single sentence in a English that is without verb. There is not a single sentence in a English that can be without verb. Verb is as compulsory as oxygen for us. So, where is I have asked my book is blue. My book, meri kitab. It is a name of a thing. It's a thing. So that is noun. That is noun. Simple. Then I said is. My book is. Is a verb. Now I will tell you how is it a verb. There are two types of verbs. In a simple manner, in a simple word, I would say there are two types of verb. One is action verb and the other is a state verb. What is an action verb? Let me tell you. एक्शन वर्ब वो होता है, ये मैं उर्दू में समझा रही हूँ प्लीज. नेक्स्ट टाइम किसी ने कहा ना मैडम जुमले में वर्ब ही नहीं है, फिर वो बंदा ना अगले दिन क्लास में नहीं होगा. ठीक है. एक होता है वर्ब, एक्शन वर्ब होता है. एक्शन वर्ब कौन से होते हैं? जैसे कि देखो, सिंग, डांस, ईट, ड्रिंक, जिसमें आप कोई काम कर रहे होते हैं, आपकी मूवमेंट हो रही होती है, आपको कोई एक्शन शो हो रहा होता है. दैट इज वन काइंड ऑफ वर्ब एंड दैट इज एक्शन वर्ब. ठीक है. वर्ब दो तरह के होते हैं. एक एक्शन वर्ब होता है, एक स्टेट वर्ब होता है. जो एक्शन वर्ब होता है ना, वो इस तरह का होता है जिसमें आपकी कोई मूवमेंट हो रही हो, आप कोई काम कर रहे हो, जैसे आई एम वॉकिंग, आई एम सिंगिंग, आई एम डांसिंग और व्हाटसोएवर. ठीक है. सेकंड होता है स्टेट वर्ब. स्टेट वर्ब होता है आपकी किसी स्टेट को शो करना, आपकी किसी कंडीशन को, यानी किसी सूरत हाल को शो करना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल देखो, माई बुक इज ब्लू, इसमें कोई एक्शन वर्ब है ही नहीं, यहाँ पे कोई एक्शन नहीं हो रहा, पर यहाँ पर ये जाहिर हो रहा है कि मेरी जो किताब है वो ब्लू है, उसकी स्टेट शो हो रही है कि उसकी ये हालत है, ये कंडीशन है. तो उस कंडीशन में जो स्टेट वर्ब होते हैं वो लिमिटेड से होते हैं, जैसे इज, एम, आर, has, have, was, were, had. इस तरह के जो वर्ब होते हैं जिन्हें आप दूसरे उसमें हेल्पिंग वर्ब, जैसे भी किसी ने मुझे कहा था कि मैम ये हेल्पिंग वर्ब है या इस तरह का हेल्पिंग वर्ब तरह का कुछ है, तो जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब होते हैं ना, वो बेसिकली हेल्पिंग वर्ब तो हैं, लेकिन वो एज अ स्टेट वर्ब भी होते हैं जो आपकी किसी कंडीशन को जाते हैं. जैसे आई हैव अ पेन, मेरे पास एक पेन है. अब इसमें मैं कोई काम नहीं कर रही. देखो, आई एम वर्किंग विद अ पेन, एंड आई हैव अ पेन, इन दोनों में वर्ब है, लेकिन दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या है, एक में एक्शन वर्ब है और दूसरे में स्टेट वर्ब है। एक में एक्शन वर्ब है, एक में स्टेट वर्ब है। जैसे आई एम सिंगिंग अ सॉन्ग और आई सिंग अ सॉन्ग, तो इसमें एक्शन शो हो रहा है कि मैं गाना गा रही हूँ, मैं गाना गाती हूँ। और अगर इसमें कहूँ आई हैव अ लिस्ट ऑफ सॉन्ग्स, आई हैव अ लिस्ट ऑफ सॉन्ग्स, तो यहाँ पर भी वर्ब है, यहाँ पर हैव वर्ब है, क्योंकि वो मेरी कंडीशन शो कर रहा है कि मेरे पास कुछ है, मेरे पास एक सॉन्ग्स की लिस्ट है। तो दो तरह के वर्ब होते हैं, हमेशा याद रखना, नो सेंटेंस इज कंप्लीट विदाउट वर्ब। In every sentence there is a verb. So if there is like whether it be a action verb or a state verb, कोई भी हो सकता है। तो एक्शन वर्ब भी हो सकता है, स्टेट वर्ब भी हो सकता है, लेकिन वर्ब जरूर होगा। ठीक है, विदाउट एनी डाउट आपने कहना है कि हाँ जी वर्ब है। ओके, नाउ my book is, my book noun is verb. Now I will come towards blue. Blue is a noun. If I think it in a whole, like in this sentence blue is not a noun. In general, yes, blue is a noun. Generally blue noun है, क्यों? क्योंकि blue color का name है, तो जिसका भी name हो वो noun होता है। लेकिन in this sentence blue is not noun, it is adjective. It is here, it is adjective. क्योंकि यहाँ पर my book noun है, तो my book की क्वालिटी है ब्लू। क्वालिटी का ये मतलब नहीं है कि पॉजिटिविटी। जैसे देखो, अगर मैं कहूँ आई एम अ बैड गर्ल, तो मेरी क्वालिटी यहाँ पे बैड है। क्वालिटी का ये मतलब नहीं होता कि आप किसी अच्छी चीज, पॉजिटिव चीज। नो, क्वालिटी हियर मींस कोई भी चीज जो आपको मजीद आपकी वजाहत कर रही हो, कोई भी चीज जो आपको मजीद वजाहत, आपकी मजीद वजाहत कर रही हो, आपको मजीद बयान कर रही हो, दैट इज एडजेक्टिव. So adjective can be anything. It's a bad, it's a good. It's not a bad and a good thing. It's just कि आपको मजीद वाजिया कर रही हो, that is adjective. So I'm sure you get a clear answer now. Again मैं बता रही हूँ, my book noun है, is verb है, ये state verb है। verb दो तरह के होते हैं, action verb, state verb. action verb वो होता है जिसमें आपका कोई action शो हो रहा हो, आप कोई काम कर रहे हैं, काम कुछ भी हो सकता है, खाना पीना, सोना जागना, सिंग और रीड और व्हाटसोएवर। और जो दूसरा है वो एडजेक्टिव है। ये जो है ये क्लियर है। अब मैं एक और सेंटेंस लिख रही हूँ एंड आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क फ्रॉम यू अगेन। सबसे इसका बेहतरीन तरीका ये है, व्हाट यू शुड डू इज kindly please open a book, or sorry, open your notebooks if you have, and if you don't have, kindly please, I'm sure you have a paper in your home, so kindly just put it in front of you. When I'm going to write nahi, oh nahi, I said this nahi to my mother. Okay, so when I'm going to tell you a sentence, write it on the paper, write it on the paper, and just differentiate the things, like it is noun, it is verb, and it is adjective. When I ask from you, जो मैं आपसे पूछती हूँ, आप अपने माइंड में कर रहे होते हो, तो it is very difficult for you. The best thing is that write it on a paper and differentiate. Maybe I'm going to ask from you, so you have a clear answer what you are going to tell me. So again, I'm telling you something. I have flowers. I have flowers. I have flowers. Now I'm going to ask again from you that what is the answer? Okay, so Mahnoor Sabir, please unmute your mic. Mahnoor Sabir. I have flowers. Mahnoor Sabir, please unmute your mic. Mahnoor Sabir, can you hear me? There is so much silence here that I feel that I'm alone here. Okay, Momina Waheed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, who said Momina Wahid? Okay, Momina, please tell me. I have flowers. Where is the verb in this sentence?
Ma'am, have a state verb.
Have is a state verb. Yes, perfect. Well done. And where can I find here noun?
Flowers.
And what is I?
Um,
What is I? Okay. Well, thank you so much. That is enough. Just let it go. Okay. The next one is Muqaddas Saqib. Please, Muqaddas Saqib, unmute your mic.
Assalamualaikum, ma'am.
Welcome, Muqaddas. I hope you are fine. So, Muqaddas, I have flowers. Where is the verb?
Have.
Why have is a verb?
Um, was verb.
मैं बहुत बदतमीज हूँ बार बार सवाल बदल देती हूँ
ये
Okay.
action word has say.
Okay. Okay. Where I can find a noun, Muqaddas?
Flowers.
Okay, flowers are noun. Okay, ठीक है. Well done. Thank you, Muqaddas. Okay, fine, guys. So, have is actually, I'm sorry, I forgot who was the first one who, Momina Wahid, yes. She has given the right answer that it is have is a verb, and the last girl, I'm sorry, I forgot the names because I have a very short memory. So the both girls were right that they said the have is a verb, but the one was said that it is an action word. It is not an action verb. It is a state verb. And I asked her that why have is a verb, because it is showing the state, it is showing the condition that I have a flowers. So now if I generally say that what is I can be a noun, but I is basically a pronoun here. I is a pronoun, have is a verb, and flowers can be a noun or adjective, but for your easiness I would say that I is a pronoun, have is a verb, and flowers are noun. That is a simple thing. So that is basically the thing which I'm going to ask from you again. Okay. Okay, just write two sentences. I'm going to ask the difference between these two sentences. One is I have a pen, I have pen, and the next is I work with the pen. I work with the pen and I have a pen. These two things going to ask from you the difference of two sentences. I have a pen and I work with a pen. So tell me the main difference, or what do you think? What is the difference between two sentences? Yes, I would go for Rahmana Shahzadi. Please unmute your mic. Rahmana Shahzadi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Rahmana, I hope you're fine. Rahmana, I have a pen and I work with the pen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ramana, tell me the main difference of these in these two sentences. Tell me the difference.
There's difference. I work with the pen is a show state verb.
Okay, and the next one is
No. I work with the pen with the show action verb.
okay. It is an action. It is an action verb.
Yes.
And the other one.
And the other one, I have a pen. Have is verb.
Okay.
I is pronoun and pen is noun.
I know. Thank you so much. But why have is a verb? Like, which kind of a verb have is? Is it a state or a action?
No, working.
I have a pen is a state verb.
State verb.
Okay, it's a state verb. And why it is a state verb?
Because they show the condition.
Perfect. Yes, yes, yes. That is the answer. It is a state verb because it is showing a condition and showing a situation. But and the I
Yeah.
work with a pen is showing
Ac-
action.
Action verb because
Yes,
there
yes,
there is
yes, yes.
we work with
Hmm.
pen.
Work with the pen. And work is a action verb.
Yeah.
Yes, that's really good. Thank you so much, Raimana.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, well. Okay, guys. So this is the thing which I wanted to tell you, that when you have a clear concept that what is action verb and what is the state verb, then it would be very easy for you to speak. It is very it would be very easy for you to speak. So whenever like you are going to speak English, you must have two or three things in your mind. First, you should have a vocabulary to speak, and the second thing is that you should know what you are going to speak. You need to make sentences in your mind, but when you don't know what is noun, pronoun, adjective and verb, like I'm just talking about these four parts of speech, then it would not be possible for you to speak. So when you know which verb you are going to use, which adjective is better here, so that would be very easy for you, it would be convenient for you to know what is all these things. They seem very easy because many of us are teachers and we teach these things to our students, but personally we don't know how can we use these in our day to day language. So it's 8:32, guys. I'm going to introduce a word, and if someone I have introduced this at the like the beginning of the lecture. uh, okay, it's showing something else. Okay, so what I'm going to say is that I guess meeting is going to end. So after when we would be in a next meeting, like in today, I'm going to introduce a word of the day. Daily, on daily basis, I'm going to give you a word which you can write if you can, if you want, and that word would help to enhance your vocabulary. I'm going to give you a word and the meaning of that word, and how can we use that word in a daily life, and uh, and I would make a sentences from that word, and that would be easy for you to learn a new word every day. So the word, that day of the word, wait, yes, its class is on. Yes. Okay. The word of the day is dandy. The word of the day is dandy. Dandy means, Komal, if you can hear me, or Aisha, you can change the slide because we have a slide of a dandy as well. So, dandy. Dandy means an excellent thing of its kind. For example, in a very simple way, it means